Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, July. Yeah, it is July still, July the 13th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. It is 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off, either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. Well, let's go over a few. I'm going to go over my watch list. I'm going to go over a couple of the AI alerts. So there's GRTS. GRTS was a short alert at 5:07. Plenty of time to get into this right there. Plenty of time. There's the candle on which the alert happened. A lot of time to get into this. It actually popped up, I think, to 516 before it then broke down through 5 again. And, I'm going to show you right there. I mean, that's a 19% gain and fairly steady. The only difficult issue with it may have been trying to get the short because it was down way more than 10%. So the uptick rule was in effect. And unfortunately, I tried to get this short at 492 and then at 490. Just couldn't get the fill. And, I never chase. I mean, obviously, in this case, if I kept chasing it down, it would have worked. But the uptick rule was in effect. If you don't know what I'm talking about, basically, if a stock is down more than 10%, then it's not easy. I mean, you just can't go in at the bid to get a short. There has to be some action at the ask, and then back to the bid. But the problem is that you could be in a big queue of others who are looking to short it also. So that was the problem here. INMD on the long side, 28.93, 30.94. That's another. I mean, that's a 7% increase. Tremendous. Two tremendous ones from the AI today. And then there's my watch list. Take a look at run. 30.85 got as high as 33.27. These are when the alerts first happened. Okay, and here's the time. VSLR 17.08 got as high as 18.45. EQ has been incredible. 9.13 got as high as 12.61. This is the only one that didn't work out of the watch list. I do have an alert set back up in this area. Had a huge run, Ecor, in the pre-market, but once the market opened, it kind of just collapsed. This, of course, is the crazy one from Friday. Yes, did it work at one point? From 26.41 all the way up to 29.63, but a tough one to trade. This is actually, I was saying before I opened the room as I opened the room this morning, this is one that I actually did trade Friday afternoon. If you were in the room, I was talking about, well, guys, if this can take out 10, this could have a late day run. So I was very proud of myself. I took the trade just over 10. This is the 330 candle. That's the 345 candle. So the last two candles before it closed, I actually made about $4 in this trade. Thought, okay, great. And then it tacked on $8 after hours. Just insane, really quite an insane move. Looked like it was going to completely give it up, the pre-market, but not yet. I mean, this is still, it's above the highs of the post-market Friday. So, at one point you would think it's going to really collapse, but as we speak, not yet. Lazy, I don't think really moved. 1062, it hasn't moved. And this one, I think, is an earnings play. Dolphin could move a little bit. DLPN had a nice move pre-market, gave it up, and then it is starting to come back. So the watch list performed extremely well, and also a couple from the AI. And if you want my watch list, all you have to do is click on, from the toolbar, click on New, and then Channel Bar, and then my watch list, Barry's watch list right there. You'll get 3 windows of load, but remember, everything in a channel bar is a layout. So you have to make sure you save your layout to the cloud first before you load anything in the channel bar, because again, you can only have one layout loaded at a time. And so your layout will disappear, be replaced, which is fine as long as you've saved your layout to the cloud ahead of time. All right, want to get back into the room to see what sort of action there's going to be for the balance of the day. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of, especially in the on the stocks that are under $20, we get lots and lots of action because you look at the market right now, it's basically flattened out. You know, the market had the nice pre-market move, and then it is basically just kind of flattened out. But that doesn't mean with trade ideas we can always find these exciting little plays all day long. All right, I'm going to bring back the capture program. And if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. And this is a link to get into our free room. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.